going tree climbing. Can you, Truck Boy?
Yes, we already did that.
This is really hard.
Me, not me. Jump. Oh, up.
Whoa, wait.
Down.
Do it right here so I can see you.
Yeah. Ow.
Whoa. That's super cool. Watch me. See how high I can go. Whoa.
There's a bubble here.
Truck Boy, no, he's not.
Yeah, you missed that.
No, he's not. Just. Okay, let's go. Wow, that's super high. Hey, do you want to go get I don't know, something else? Here, let's just go for a walk. Should we show them our characters? Show them our characters. Come to this character. Come to the table. Sit it right here. Okay. This is Truck Boy and I'm Nerd Girl, or you could call me TT for short.
I know you, Didi.
And these are our characters. Now, sit them down and do not touch them.
What are you doing, Mom?
There you go. He's a little dog, and I'm a lamb. Eee. Now, we're going to visit somebody. That's why the scenery's different. But yeah. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed us tree climbing. Do you wanna go on the boat?
Yeah, so don't me die.
Okay. Here. We need help and stuff, so just wait here for a second.
You hurt me.
Will you help us, please?
Hey, me messed up. You hurt me.
So yeah, I'm gonna let you help Truck Boy. Help Truck Boy. Why? I'm just gonna tell him some news while you help him up, Truck Boy, and I'm just gonna tell him some news. I changed my character to this, but if I ever get that bunny I want, okay. You have to like, share, and subscribe if you want a shout out. This will only be for a limited time. So yeah. Darkness. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Okay, here. I'm gonna do this real quick. Okay, I'm done. Why?
You're gonna make the person dizzy.
Why?
Walking around like you're walking around, you're gonna make them dizzy.
Whoa, have a spell. Okay, this is the LPS Boat Express. Don't worry, we're not really on water. Here, drive. You can't hit that, Truck Boy.
What's this?
Okay, show your pet shop. Oh, is your pet shop in your pocket?
No, right here.
No. You're sleeping? Seriously? We're on a boat and you're sleeping? Oh, well. Okay, I guess while he's sleeping, we can check what his dream is.
The boat.
Potty, and
You're not here.
Oh, I'm not there. Sadness, sorry, old friend. Dogs in the background, people. Do not be disturbed by that. It's just dogs in the background.
I'm on the way.
Ah.
Boat open.
The shakiness! Hey, what do we say whenever we say goodbye? Stay nerdy! Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. What's your favorite pet shop? And what's its name? Okay, bye everybody. Say bye, Truck Boy.
Bye, I don't want to bye.
Say stay nerdy.
And stay money. Hot die.
Bye-bye.